Welcome back. We've covered how to access entire columns, rows, and rectangular subsets. The final and arguably most precise access method is picking out or modifying a single individual cell value within the data frame. For this, Pandas provides two highly optimized accessors, .at and .iat. 1. Setup, sample data frame. We will work with a simple data frame that has custom row indices R1, R2, R3, and column names A and B. 2. Accessing a single cell by label using .at. The .at accessor is designed for label-based lookup of a single value. Its syntax is df.at, row label, column label. This method is significantly faster than using .lock for single value lookups. You can also use .at to assign a new value to the cell, as we do here by changing the value at R2, B to 999. Three. Accessing a single cell by position using .iat. Similarly, the .iat accessor is optimized for integer-based, positional lookups. Its syntax is df.iat, row position, column position. This is the fastest way to access a single cell by its physical coordinates. We can also use it to set a new value, like changing the cell at position 1, 0 to 888. To summarize, .at and .iat are your preferred methods for working with individual cell values. Our next lecture 36.15, Describing and Transposing. See you there.